You thought Ton 618 was big? Forget it. Look at this. Imagine you are standing at the edge of the observable universe, looking at something so massive that the word massive no longer means anything. It doesn't roar. It doesn't glow with warning. From a distance, it looks almost peaceful. A faint golden haze at the center of a galaxy cluster, warm light bleeding softly into the dark. Beautiful even. The kind of thing that makes you feel grateful to be alive and conscious in a universe this breathtaking. But something is wrong. That light isn't coming from something. It's coming from matter that is dying. Gas, stars, entire solar systems shredding apart and screaming into the void at nearly the speed of light. You're looking at Phoenix A, the largest black hole ever discovered. And it doesn't care that you exist. Let's start with the numbers, because the numbers alone should break your brain. Ton 618 held the crown for years. A black hole with a mass 66 billion times our sun. Scientists called it a monster. They wrote papers. They lost sleep. Phoenix A laughs at Ton 618. This thing clocks in at 100 billion solar masses. Some estimates push it toward 150 billion. That's not a typo. That's not a rounding error. Phoenix A is so incomprehensibly large that if you replaced our sun with it, its event horizon, the point of no return, would extend past Neptune. Our entire solar system, gone, swallowed, not destroyed, just inside. But here's the problem. Size is the least terrifying thing about it. Phoenix A sits inside the Phoenix cluster, one of the most extreme environments in the known universe. The cluster itself is producing stars at a rate of roughly 800 new stars per year. For context, our Milky Way makes about 3. The sheer amount of energy being pumped into this system is staggering. But none of that energy is going anywhere useful. It's all feeding the machine at the center, and this is where things change. Most black holes of this size shut down star formation in their galaxy. They blast out jets of radiation so powerful they boil away the gas cloud stars need to be born. That's the normal pattern. That's what astronomers expected to find. Phoenix A is doing the opposite. It is gorging, pulling in matter so fast at such a violent rate that the superheated gas raining down into it is simultaneously triggering the most explosive burst of star formation ever observed, while also eating the very stars being born. It is a cycle of creation and annihilation happening at the same time in the same place, and we have never seen anything like it. But it gets worse. The jets coming off Phoenix A, plasma beams fired from the poles of the black hole at relativistic speeds, are carving cavities into space itself. Literal bubbles punched into the fabric of the intergalactic medium, each one larger than most galaxies. The energy required to do that is beyond any scale we use in daily physics. We're not talking nuclear bombs. We're not talking supernovae. We're talking about forces that reshape the large-scale structure of the universe. You would not survive proximity. You wouldn't even survive the neighborhood. The X-ray radiation alone in the Phoenix cluster could cook you from millions of light years away. There is no angle of approach. There is no safe distance that is also close enough to observe. You would simply cease, quietly, before you even understood what was happening. But that's not even the worst part. The worst part is what Phoenix A tells us about time. Black holes of this size shouldn't exist yet. According to our best models of how the universe evolves, something this massive requires more time than the universe has had to grow. And yet, here it is, fully formed, already ancient, already eating, already winning, which means either our models are wrong or the universe has been playing by rules we haven't written down yet. You are made of stardust. You've heard that before. It sounds poetic. It sounds comforting. But the stars that made you came from somewhere, and somewhere there is a mouth the size of a solar system, older than our models allow, growing in the dark, patient, inevitable, indifferent. The universe was never built for us. We are just what happened in the quiet spaces it hasn't consumed yet.